Hello everybody, this is Ghee from Mama Bwee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making roasted carrots, and that's a perfect side vegetable dish for Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays. It's really easy to make, and this dish can be made ahead of time. You just freeze it and heat it up and it's ready to go. So let's get started. You know Mama Bwee doesn't like to waste time. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need baby carrots, ghee, cayenne pepper, chopped parsley, brown sugar, salt, and olive oil. Now let's make our glaze. We're gonna start off by heating our glaze because we need it warm, so we're gonna pop it into microwave for 1 minute. Add brown sugar to the warm ghee. Give it a good whisk. Next, we're gonna add olive oil along with cayenne pepper. We're gonna also add salt and black pepper to taste. Then we're gonna mix and set it aside. Now let's move on to wash the carrots. Once washed, we're gonna place them on a paper towel lined baking sheet and pat them dry with a paper towel, just like so guys. Transfer them into a medium bowl. Now we're gonna add the glaze and coat them well. Line your baking sheet with the aluminum foil. Arrange the carrots in a single layer and roast the carrots at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. At 10 minutes mark, I'm gonna pull them out and toss them and put them back in the oven to cook for another 10 minutes. Set the oven to broil. Keep an eye on this as we don't want them to burn. What I normally do, I pull them out every 3 minutes, toss them around and put them back. The carrots are done. We're gonna garnish them with parsley. There you have it, guys. Roasted baby carrots. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave a comment and a like. Share it with your friends and your family. Guys, I would love you to be part of Mama Bui's family. By helping this channel to grow, you need to subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my newly uploaded videos, then subscribe. I hope you'll try this recipe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.